Yeah, so hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my other burping video. The other one was alright, but this time I hope it's gonna be better. Okay, I just ate something, so I hope I'm not gonna puke or anything like that. Ooh, okay. Now another one. Well, I have like different techniques of burping. The other one is breathing in, like, it's really weird. Now, it smells like shit. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so much fun. Ugh, I feel really bad already. Yeah, I can burp in a high pitch and low pitch. That's the low pitch, and now the high pitch. Wow. Another turn. Yeah, you can mix the high and low pitch. I could actually make a song for next time, so just subscribe and like the comment and favorite it, and I'm gonna make a song. Burping song, of course. Thanks for watching this DDD production. DDD production. Thumbs up.